Alright guys, well, guess we're gonna go for a drive in the ZL1. Take you guys along with me for the ride. It's filthy, but ain't no big deal. Drive to Mexico, kind of get a little bit of heat in the oil, heat in the trans. Try to get a few pulls here. Not gonna go crazy. Been a while since I drove the car, but trying out these new RayBan glasses. So I already looked at one picture. And I don't know if it's the way the picture was, but I don't know if you guys could see my hands from here, but I think you can, especially as so this car's got a roto fab cold air, ported throttle body, cat deletes, a tune, passenger seat delete, a drag pack, Corsa NPP. This man in front of me is really messing me up. Shifting kind of shitty, a little slower than usual. Grindy. Not happy. So that's the extent of our drive, guys. It's very hot out, so the car was still moving. Didn't feel that great. It's too damn hot. It's like 82 degrees, y'all. But that's it, guys.